Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Muhammad Adam Faiz. Now, let's talk about Prezi, education entry. Now, let me introduce to you the features, some features in Prezi. So, first of all, from the dashboard, select the new presentation and select which presentation type of slide that you want. Or another option is you go to create from template and select search to search which design that you want to use. So it is more easier. So if you create from scratch, this is what you will see. This is blank, it is zero and nothing on there. So you can go blow your mind and do anything that you want without limitation in Prezi. Now I will show to you every button of how to use the Prezi template. So you can pause this video if it is too fast. Select this icon if you want to add collaboration for your template or work. Another option is you go to the top right button and select the collaborate from there. You can use present if you want to start the presentation. So this is the view of how it will appear on your screen. So you can click everywhere that you want to make it zoom in, or you can click using the navigation button on your laptop or on your computer. Aside from making a presentation, Prezi also can create video. Now, from the top left button on video, you can click the template to choose the templates. So this is some things that you can do. So first of all, you can add text on the slide. You can also add image or any visual into your slide video, or lastly you can select plus to add a new slide. You can also use three dots button to easily navigate into what you want to do, like back to dashboard, new, or choose a template, virtual background, or share screen, and some widgets. If you select import, you can add any visual into the slide, like stickers or image. From the slide, you can also use three dots button to easily navigate into like new slide, or making a duplicate or delete it, or add any visual and edit text. Now you can select the lower button, which is widgets. The widgets will introduce to you about these tools like name tag or end timer. You can pause this video if you want to read the uses. Or from the main page, you can click the video on the side panels. So from the presentation or video, you can go to video conferencing to live stream yourself on the Prezi video. Other than that, you can also use view analytics to track your viewer or people in the Prezi video. But since it is a Prezi premium tool, so I can show to you how to use it. I think I will, but not right now. Now, let's go to the tutorial how to use Prezi. So this is the main page of Prezi. So there's a login and themes or get started. So I click the login because I already used this before. And then you can sign up or you log in using your email or anything else. So I just use my Gmail and then click the create new presentation from the main page. So you can choose any templates. So I just click math, Mac, I mean, sorry, Mac, and create any slide that you want. So I just click Math fraction because it looks interesting. So this is the preview. I think I want to use this. Wow, Okay, the template is so nice. Okay, let's use and go to public. Anyone on the internet can see. So let's start with and edit. Now we already in the templates. So you can click on the slide. Let's change the name of fraction to another thing. I think let's go with rename it to my title. I think let's go with shapes. Okay, center this. Okay, now let's zoom in. I can see this, so I have to zoom. So okay, now let's customize this. You can use trackpad to navigate for the smoother experience. So I use what is a shape. So my slide, you can edit it. You can use the hand to right click, hold right click and drag to move. Toggle the hand tool with H. So you can click the mouse trackpad. Okay, so I just use trackpad, so it's easier. So let's change this into something else. What is a shape? Shape is an object. So okay, now let's go to another page. So numerator and denominator. I change this into 2D shapes. So I click this and I change this into the shape. Okay, control backspace. Okay, and now to the shape. What is to the shape? I have to put circle. I think then it's a square. Next triangle, and then rectangle. Rectangle. Okay, now go to the next. Don't forget to click the hand. So equivalent fraction. Okay, I think I have to start present. Let's present this. So to start the present, you can click this. Go to what is a shape. So like you can see, it's zooming into the point that you want. So you can click or you can navigate using your trackpad, using your navigation button. Okay, so I think that's all for Prezi. Oh yeah, don't forget to check another education entry. So for now, Prezi signing out.